Hello students, today I will discuss about the thermodynamics and the topic name is basic concept of the thermodynamics, semester 3rd. What is the main meaning of the thermodynamics? Thermo means heat release and dynamics means mechanical action for the doing work. The study of the effect of work, heat flow and energy on a system and the movement of thermal energy from one place to another place, that is called the thermodynamics. Engineer use the thermodynamics in the system ranging from the nuclear power plant to the electrical components. And the thermodynamics, that is the study of the effect of work, heat and energy on a system, that is also called in thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is only concerned with the macroscopic large scale changes and the observations. What is the history behind that? The thermodynamics history as a scientific discipline generally begins with a Otto von Gulick, who in 1650 built and designed the world's first vacuum pump and demonstrated a vacuum using his Medberg hemisphere, that is represented in the figure Medberg hemisphere, which is created the vacuum and affecting on the thermodynamics properties. What is the difference between the macroscopic and the microscopic properties? Attention is focused on the certain quantity of matter without considering the activity occur at a molecular level comes into the macroscopic. But in case of a microscopic, matter constituting the system is considered to comprise a large number of discrete particles called molecules. A few properties are required to describe the system, such as a pressure, volume and temperature, and this can be perceived by the sense and measured by a available instrument. Example, expansion of gases in an ice engine, that is comes into the macroscopic. In case of a microscopic, large number of the variables are required to describe the system, such as a position, kinetic energy, velocity, pressure, volume and temperature. It is very difficult to measure these quantity with the help of the available instrument. Example, KTZ. In a case of macroscopic, require the simple mathematical formula to analyze the system. But in case of microscopic, require the advanced statistical mathematically formulae to analyze the system. Known as a statistical thermodynamics in a case of macroscopic, whereas in a case of microscopic known as also classical thermodynamics. That is the basic terms of the thermodynamics: system surrounding boundary and universe. System, area under where the thermodynamic activity is taking place, that is called a system. In case of a surrounding area outside of the system, that is called a surrounding. In case of a boundary, system is separated from the surrounding by the boundary means. The system and surrounding separated by the imaginary or the real surface or layer partition, that is called a boundary. Universe, system and surrounding put together is called a universe. What is the terms used in the thermodynamics? That is the system inside of that and the outside of the system, that is called the surrounding, and the system and surrounding is separated by the boundary. How many types of a system? That is the open system. Here mass and energy can be exchanged with surroundings. If some water is kept in open vessel or hot tea in open cup, that is called the open system. In open system, just like a ice engine in which the fuel is taking in the inside of engine cylinder and some part of the fuel is converted into the energy form, and the smoke is outing from the silencer side, that is the heat exchange from system to surrounding. This is the open system in which the mass and energy both are allowed from the system to surrounding and surrounding to system. Another type of system, that is a closed system. There is only the exchange of the energy with surrounding, no exchange of the mass take place. If the water is placed in a closed metallic vessel or hot tea, just related to the refrigerator, which is placed in a domestic purpose, in which the refrigerant is circulating inside of the refrigerator, but energy is circulating from system to surrounding. In a closed system, no mass is leaving from system to surrounding, but energy is transformation taking place from system to surrounding and surrounding to system. When the work is input or work required to compress the refrigerant, that is the compressor need. When the heat exchanging, when the heat is losing to the surrounding, there is a condenser coil is acting taking place. Third is the isolated system. There is a neither exchange of the mass nor energy with the surrounding, that is the isolated system. Just like a thermos flask in which neither the mass is exchanging from system to surrounding, and neither energy is exchanging the energy from system to surrounding, or vice versa. That is the isolated system. From the diagram, no mass, no energy is transferred from system to surrounding or surrounding to system. Another type of a system that is defined by the nature of the constitute. If the all the constitute are present in the same phase and the composition of the system is uniform throughout, that is called a homogeneous. But in case of two or more phases and the composition is uniform throughout, there is called a heterogeneous system. These are the already discussed about the isolated, closed, and the open system. In this diagram, in a closed system, energy but not mass can be exchanged. That is the example cylinder fitted with the gas and piston. Isolated system, neither energy nor mass can be exchanged. That is called a thermal flask. Another type of a open system in which the both energy and the mass can be exchanged. Example of the gas turbine, ICE engine. What are the basic fundamentals about the thermodynamics? That is called a state, change in state, path, processes, and the cycle. That is the different terms. State, if any system have definite values of the property, it is known as a definite state. Properties are the state variables of any system, that is called a state. Change in state, any change in property will lead to change in state, that is also known as another type of changes where the properties will change from initial state to final state. Path. Locus of all changes of state is known as a path. Process, when path is completely defined, it becomes one process. Process may be reversible or irreversible in nature. That is also called another type of process. Reversible, irreversible, another type of process. Reversible, it is possible to attain the initial state by the eliminating the effect. For example, causative process, reversible process. Cycle, final state of any process is identical with the initial state. It becomes a one cycle. State of system and the state variables. There are the condition of the system which is described in the terms of certain measurable properties such as the temperature, pressure, and volume. That is the state of systems. State, there is also describing the temperature, pressure, and the volume. When the change, their system is also changes. These properties are the called state variables. State functions, it is defined as the properties whose value depends upon the state of the system and is dependent of the path by which the state has been reached. That is the state function. For example, a person standing on the roof of the building has a fixed value of the potential energy, and the potential of the person does not depend whether he has reached here by the stairs. That is the state function. In a process, when the state of a system changes, then the process is said to occur. The first and the last state of the process are called the initial and the final state. The process is describing in the diagram. 1 to 2 is the expansion, 2 to 3 is the constant volume heat rejection, 3 to 4 is called compression, 4 to 1 is called constant pressure heat addition, constant volume heat addition. Cyclic process, here the system undergoes series of the changes and finally return to the original state. That is the cyclic process. Here the diagram in which the change of state is describing, property is describing, state is describing, path is describing, cycle is describing. The cycle is describing in this manner where the expansion and the compression both are taking place and come to the original state, that is called the cycle. In a property diagram where the PV, suppose that is taking place, pressure is a vertical ordinate and the volume is the horizontal ordinate. The change in state from this to this, there will be a changes. The pressure will also changes, the volume will also changes. The volume is here initial, the volume is here V2, and the pressure is here P1. The pressure is after the expansion, there is a called P2. 1 to 2 is called process and 1 to 1 is called a cycle. What is the difference between the quasi-static and the non-quasi-static? Quasi-static is the reversible process or the slowly intermediate change in state are the equilibrium with each other, that is called a quasi-static. But in case of where the no equilibrium with the intermediate change of state, that is called a non-quasi-static process. Path 1 to 2 of process can easily be defined due to the all change in states are in equilibrium. Hence, process can be drawn on a graph with a firm line. But in case of non-quasi-static process, the existing of non-equilibrium process change in state hence can be drawn on graph with the dotted line. Here it will be of a plain line, curve line, and here will be a dotted curve line. Processes are reversible in nature. It means it is possible to attain the initial state by eliminating the effect. Processes are irreversible in nature. It means it is not possible to attain the initial state by eliminating the effect. Example, expansion of gases behind a piston engaged in finite small weight that is also come into the quasi-static. But in case of non-quasi-static process, expansion of gases behind a piston engages a single weight that is comes into the non-quasi-static process. This is the diagram in which the quasi-static process is describing here, where the small weight comes to the W is equal to W1, W2, W3, and Wn, so on. That here the stopper, which is stopping and come to the original state. Each and every weight when the remove and adding, when the process are come to the original state, that is called the quasi-static. But when the state is not completing going up to the final original state, that is the non-quasi-static process. Here it is a diagram quasi-static process in which the expansion is taking place, and also where is required the compression is also taking place. In which the non-quasi-static process where the dotted line is showing where the equilibrium state not regained to the original state. Thermodynamic properties, there are the two types of the property, extensive property and the intensity property. Extensive property depending on the mass oblique size of the system volume, that is called extensive property. Intensity property, it is independent of the system mass or size, that is called intensity property. So there is an example of the intensity property, specific volume or uh, extensive oblique mass where it will be taking place, there is called the intensity property. What is the meaning of the pressure? Pressure, that is called a force per unit area. The unit of pressure is Pascal, kilopascal, bar, and the Newton per meter square. That is the types, absolute, gauge, and the atmospheric pressure. The absolute pressure, where it is called natural pressure, and where the adding of atmospheric pressure plus minus of the gauge pressure, their absolute pressure will be changed. If the minus of the gauge pressure, that is called a vacuum pressure. What is the meaning of the volume? Three-dimensional space occupied an object, that is called a volume. That is a unit of volume, meter cube, liter, 1 meter cube, or 10 to power 3 liter. That is the comes into the volume. Temperature, quantity indication of degree of hotness and coldness of the body, that is called the temperature. And the what is the unit of temperature? That is the degree centigrade, Kelvin, and the Fahrenheit. And the thermometer, thermometry, that is come into the temperature scale, which you are using for the measurement of the temperature, that is called a thermometer or thermometry. It will be of the in Celsius and the or Kelvin. But if the want to classes to convert Kelvin and Fahrenheit, there is a formula. If the degree centigrade convert into the Kelvin, degree centigrade equal to K minus 273. If want to in a Fahrenheit, that is will equal to the 5 by 9 F minus of 32 in bracket. What is the thermodynamic equilibrium? There are the many number of the thermodynamic equilibrium. That is the first thermal equilibrium, second is the mechanical equilibrium, third is the phase equilibrium, fourth is the chemical equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium, when the temperature is the same throughout the entire system, that is called a thermal equilibrium. Where the no exchanging of the heat take place, there is called a thermal equilibrium. But in case of the mechanical equilibrium, where is the no change of the pressure, where is the no external force acting on the body, that is called a mechanical equilibrium. Pressure may vary within the system due to the gravitation effects. Phase equilibrium, in a two-phase system, when the mass of each phase reaches an equilibrium level, that is called a phase equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium, when the chemical composition of a system does not change with the time, there is also called a chemical equilibrium. No chemical reaction is occur. Thank you. Tomorrow will be discuss about the zeroth law of thermodynamics and the another things, heat and work property. Okay. Thank you.